Hi friends, my name is Cherry. Welcome to my channel Grooming with Cherry. Today my topic is avoid visiting fake astrologers, fake palmists, fake tarot readers, and fake neurologists. Yes, avoid visiting because when you are in failure, when you are in emotions, when something problems come in your life, then only you visit astrologers, you visit palmists, and they take the advantage of the those things. They may ask you after telling something one or two past things, they may ask you what is your problem, and they realize your problem and they used to say stories. Yes, now ladies and gentlemen, everything is available in software. Okay, so if you put your date of birth and they get, if you put your date of your birth, time and place, so they will get everything from that software, and they will get a basic knowledge of that, and they will try to put it on a such a way, they will motivate you in a such a way that everything is fine and everything will be fine. Okay, as if they know everything about the future. Because guys, ladies and gentlemen, nobody in this world can know about the future. Everything is written, but nowhere nobody can say. Okay, there are few astrologers, there are few palmists, there are very few tarot readers, numerologists. They can find out some solution, but they cannot give you the entire solution. And there are 80 to 90% fake. They will say I am gold medalist from this and this. They will put a picture on the back side of the chair of that of the chair they are sitting. Okay, and they will have a computers in the front. They will put everything, and even if some software is there, they will scan your palm and it will come to your his software, and they will read it. Guys, they will motivate you by stones. Okay, so all those things, stones and everything, you never knows which is original and which is duplicate. All are certified. Okay, all are certified. Only few genuine astrologers or genuine thing, because everybody will say that I am genuine. Okay, genuine person, they don't charge it, they don't make it as a business. Okay, if somebody makes a business, I'm not telling they are fake, but there are few. You have to try to find out. But don't go. My suggestion is don't go to astrologer, because people goes to astrologer when they are in problem, and they also know that he is in problem. So that's the reason he came to me, and he'll try to read you, and he'll try to uh, capture you, and try to motivate you. He'll try to make business out of it. Somebody will say I'll do some puja, somebody will say I'll do this thing. You have to sunny sade sati chal raha hai, so you have to work on that. You have to maintain this, you have to put some this thing in gangas, in rivers. You have to pray the trees and everything. Nothing happen, nothing happen like that. Nobody can say you about your future, mind it. If they can say about the future, they could have know about their future. Okay, they could have built their future well. If you think that they will know about my future and they will predict it and they will give a solution, they will never, it will never be that. They will try to play with your emotions and charge for that. They will try to give some stones and say that it will be happening. You will be getting a good life. You will never get it. Try it. Try it. You will never get it. Never. If you put a stone or ring, do you think you it's very difficult to get it, but you will not getting the entire solution. Okay, so never. If you put a stone also, that will not happen anything in your life. So never go to astrologers. If it's a very big astrologer, very prominent astrologer, he is a just a legend in his field, uh, then you can go and try. But there are many fake astrologers, fake tarot readers nowadays. Many young guys are coming into the tarot trading and all those things, putting some pictures on some pictures around in the cars and in the houses. Nothing happened. Nothing happened. Do do on your karma. Work on your karma. Do good work. Things will overcome. Do best. Even if, see, everybody will run, everybody in this world, in this entire world, everybody will face the problem. He is bound to face problem. That is life. You have to, you, bad times will come to you. Every time and every situation it will come to you. Try to make friend with the bad times. Try to help people. Try to help poor. Try to help needy people. If you don't have capability to help, then try to think of that good. Try to think good. If you don't have, if you cannot help monetary, you can help physically also. Do not do not try to go on that route. That is totally a wrong route. Astrologers, horoscope, they will motivate, they will tell you, yeah, this thing is going to come after a year or after 6 months. If you do it, all those things, if you're doing all those nuisance thing, what they will tell you, go and walk, see, oversee there, put some oil in Ganga, put some water in Ganga, so some pujas, all those things they will do. Nothing will happen. Don't do that, ladies and gentlemen. Don't do all those things. Always believe in karma. Do good work. Same thing will reflect to you in next journey of your life.